Hey guys, good afternoon. Beautiful day in Maryville, Tennessee. So we have a really unique Asian cooking with a little Appalachian flair to it. So we're going to make a little stir-fried chicken teriyaki using a propane burner with just about 200,000 BTUs. And everybody asks, what the heck is a BTU? It is a British thermal unit, and it's how hot one matches. So why we're using the cast iron is A, I don't have a wok, and B, the cast iron is going to really produce the heat, and we need to do, we need a lot of good quick sears because this is going to be a really quick dish. Also, we're going to fry, we have a little crunch factor that we're going to use too, and we are going to fry a little bit of cellophane noodles. Darren, can you get in on this? And the beauty of these cellophane noodles is, as you can see, these guys cook pretty fast, don't they? You know, so we're going to let these cook a little bit, and you've got to make sure the strings right here are all cooked and ready. Isn't that beautiful? And you can cook these rice noodles just in boiling water like you would any rice noodle. We're going to do one flip there. It's got a few more seconds on it. The burner, 200,000 BTUs, that's going to be next. So in this skillet here we have garlic, sesame oil, canola oil, and some ginger chips followed up behind me with a little bit of diced chicken tenders. Okay? So while that's cooking, my extraordinary Cyclops helper Gabby is going to make some egg rolls. And in the egg rolls we have cream cheese, we have cilantro, celery, onions, and chopped shrimp. So Gabby, why do you put the egg on there? It makes it sticky, absolutely. So that being said, Gabby, show everybody how to make an egg roll. So after we fried our cellophane noodles, I'm going to start the egg rolls. And notice the egg rolls have a sesame and Vidalia onion crust to it. Okay? Look at the color on that chicken already. This should be a great lunch today, shouldn't it, Gabby? Are you going to eat this lunch? Yeah. Yes? Good girl. Good girl. So I got my egg rolls. Working. Some things that you want to be careful about using a barbecue infrared burner and frying things is temperature control. Because if you get up to like 450 degrees, it'll be flash point and it can burst into flames. So have a little digital thermometer, and you want to look at about 350 degrees, or just about at that right now. So I got the egg rolls working. We got the dogs barking too. You know, we are cooking from home, aren't we? And then a little bit of wonton skins that I'm going to use for a garnish. And you don't have to be picky with these. Just pitch them in. And it's a little crunchy kind of cracker that you can eat with the sauce. You can fold them over. You can make large little bowls out of them for some great presentation. We'll show you in video too. So let's go back to the skillet. So the chicken's almost there. All of my vegetables I've arranged in an order where these are all the hard vegetables with the onions and the carrots and the celery out of the garden. And that'll go in, and that's going to get cooked first. Boy, if you could smell this, we're going to have a happy belly this afternoon, aren't we? So the veggies are cooking. This is on full blast. This is 200,000 BTUs working. Okay, we're going to let that cook a little bit. Go back to the fryer. Give it a turn. Egg rolls. The key with this dish is you need to time it just right. You want this to be done the same time you want the stir fry to be done. Look at the crust on that egg roll. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So that's got a few seconds. So all of my softer vegetables, bok choy, sugar snap peas, red peppers, portobellos, all go. We're going to give them a little bit of stir fry. Smell is incredible. And then we're going to finish this with a blend of teriyaki and sesame sauce. And a little bit of baby vanilla onions. We're going to save a little bit for garnish. Remember our knife scope. This is going to add a lot of flavor and a little bit of horseradish leaves. So this is going to, it's very bitter. If you taste it, it tastes like horseradish, but with the sweetness of the sauce, it'll really be a great flavor component. Man, that's got a bite to it. It's good though. Doesn't it look beautiful? So again, remember the safety component. Tamp your oil. If you get close to 400 degrees, it's time to shut it off, like I'm going to do right now. We got our wonton cookies cooking. That's going to go on the drying rack. And egg rolls have a few seconds. Guys, we'll look forward to seeing you in our second video when we talk about plate presentation. Thank you.